Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your wallet on the Coin98 Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coin98 Wallet application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and log in using your OneID or your seed and key, as well as your social accounts. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your wallet. Now from here, if you wish to back up your wallet, then you will need to reveal and retrieve your seed and key. In order to do this, just click on your wallet name at the top section on the drop-down menu and then tap on Manage Wallets. From here, just tap on your wallet that you wish to back up and you will now see the Show Private Key as well as the Show Seed Phrase option. You can click on either one of these in order to reveal your seed key and then tap on the View button to view your seed key. You will need to enter your PIN code in order to confirm your identity. So just type it in and you will be shown your seed key. You may also view your private key by following the same process. Make sure to back up these keys, as these are the ones that will let you access your account in the future at any time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to back up your wallet by revealing your seed and your key on the Coin98 Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.